Welcome to this video on kinematics and applied mechanisms. We will explore fundamental principles like angular velocity, planetary motion, and applied forces, providing a comprehensive overview for designers and engineers. To start, it is essential to distinguish between kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics focuses on the geometry of motion, while kinetics studies the relationship between forces, mass, and motion to predict how bodies move. When dealing with constant acceleration, we rely on the four primary kinematic equations. These equations relate velocity, displacement, time, and acceleration, helping you choose the right formula based on your known and unknown variables. Visualizing motion through graphs provides powerful insights. In a velocity time graph, the slope represents acceleration, while the area under the curve corresponds to displacement, offering a clear visual representation of these concepts. Moving to rigid body dynamics, we consider planar motion. By calculating normal and tangential forces alongside moments, we can better understand how forces drive rotation and maintain stability in mechanical systems. Franz Rouleau identified that all machines are built from 6 fundamental components: the wheel and gear, cam, crank, screw, ratchet, and tension lines. These building blocks are the foundation of complex mechanical design. The differential screw is a vital mechanism for creating clamping force. By leveraging pitch and friction angles, this device efficiently converts applied torque into high pressure for securing components. This matrix illustrates various friction clamping devices, from slide clamps to pedestal clamps. Each design uses specific mechanical layouts to achieve reliable locking actions in different industrial applications. When designing joints, you must account for torque, target preload, and joint relaxation. Effective designs calculate the critical lower limit, ensuring the actual clamping force remains sufficient over time. For added safety, the NASA Overcenter pin offers a foolproof locking method. This design ensures that a pin remains securely in place under load, preventing accidental removal or movement. Controlling output motion is crucial for precision. Mechanisms like escapements, oscillating drives, and sinusoidal reciprocators allow designers to convert continuous inputs into specific, controlled output patterns. Flexibility and misalignment can be managed through specialized coupling. Comparing components like metallic bellows and elastomeric spiders helps determine the best solution for your specific torque and damping requirements. Structural limits are vital to avoid failure. Specifically, the Euler buckling load for columns depends heavily on the slenderness ratio, which must be considered to prevent bending under compressive stress. The design loop is a continuous cycle of synthesis and analysis. By using iterative redesign and simulation tools, you can move between creative design and mathematical validation to refine your mechanisms. To wrap up, here is an engineer's cheat sheet. Keep these kinematic equations, kinetic principles, and fundamental components in mind as you approach your next mechanical design project.